Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm showing you how I did this purple and blue glitter cut crease eye look. The palette that I'm using in this video is the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette. Firstly, you need to prep your eyes for the eyeshadows by applying a concealer as a base for your eyeshadows. Using a flat brush, place the concealer across your lid and then using the remaining product on the brush, carve out the lower side of your brow. Blend the concealer across your entire lid to create an even base for your shadows to stick to. The first shade that you're going to pick up on a small dome brush is Trick. Pack this shade into the outer corner of your lid, doing circular motions with your brush to begin to bring that shade upwards slightly and into the outer half of the crease. Go directly over the edge of Trick with the shade Sorcery, and once again doing circular motions with your brush to merge the blue and purple shades together. To soften the edges of Sorcery and to make the blending process easier, pick up the shade Enchanted onto a brush and apply this directly into the brow bone area and over the edges of the shadows that you have laid down. Using a medium-sized blending brush, go back into Sorcery and apply this into the outer crease of the eye to enhance the pigmentation and depth of the purple shades. You are going to begin to bring this shade inwards onto the inner half of the crease and outwards past the outer corner towards the temple. Enhance the blue in the outer corner by reapplying Trick into the areas that you previously had, remembering to blend it outwards this time towards the temple to create an elongated eyeshadow shape. Pick up the shade Sorcery onto another small blending brush and place it right into the socket of the eye to deepen the entire crease. Once again, soften the edge of the entire eye look by applying Enchanted across the edge of the eye look. This is a good trick if you struggle blending out bright eyeshadows. Take a large blending brush and pick up the shade Sorcery and apply this throughout the crease and into the outer V towards the temple to create a smooth blend between the purple and blue shades. To further deepen the crease area, take a small blending brush and pick up the shade Voodoo. Apply this directly into the eye socket and blend throughout the crease and into the outer V shape. Take your favourite concealer and apply this onto the back of your hand to warm the product. Use a flat brush to pick up some of the product, then stamp the product down onto the inner half of your crease to create the base for the cut crease. Smooth the concealer out with a clean brush, then tap out the outer corner with your finger to erase the harsh line created by the concealer. Pack the shade Elixir directly onto the cut crease area, remembering to get right up against the edge of the concealer and towards the outer corner. Once again, pick up the shade Trick on a small blending brush and deepen the outer corner, bringing it inwards to blend over the edge of the cut crease and outwards to enhance the pigmentation of the outer V. Apply the shade Sorcery onto the outer edges of the outer V shadow shape to blow out the shades and create a smooth transition between the shades. soften the edges of the look once again using the shade Enchanted. Apply it directly over the edge of Sorcery and use the leftover pigment on the brush to pull the shadows further out towards the temple. Using a small blending brush, pick up the shade Voodoo and apply it directly over the edge of the cut crease area to enhance the depth of the crease. Using a blue liquid liner, I'm using Divinity Lumos liner by LA Splash to define the edge of the cut crease. One last time, go in with the shade Sorcery on a large fluffy brush and apply this into the outer V area to enhance the tone and pigmentation of the purple shades. Take your favourite glitter glue, I'm using a NYX one, and apply this over the entire cut crease area. Then take a light blue glitter and apply it directly over the area that you had just placed the glitter glue. Use the shade Cursed on a small blending brush to blend over the edge of the glitter that you had just laid down and deepen the outer corner. Start on the lower lid, apply the shade Cursed onto the outer half of the lower lid right up against the lash line. Blend that down and outwards towards the outer V using the shade Sorcery. Use the remaining product on the brush to help blend the upper and lower lid shadows into the outer V together. Blow out the shadows on the lower lid using the shade Enchanted. Pick up this shade and apply it directly over the edge of Sorcery. Go in once again with Sorcery and enhance the pigmentation of the purple tones in the lower lid, and using the remaining product on the brush help to blend out the outer V together. Take the same blue liquid eyeshadow you used earlier and apply this into the inner half of your lower lid right up against the lash line. Take the shade Elixir and apply it directly below that liquid eyeshadow to mirror the shades on the upper lid. Using a pencil brush, pick up the shade Moonlight and highlight your inner corner. Bring that shade Moonlight slightly onto the upper and lower lid to brighten the inner half of the eye look. Now onto the eyeliner. I'm using MAC Black Track Gel Liner, however you can use any gel liner of your choice. Using a thin nail art brush, pick up some of that gel liner and draw a line down and outwards from the upper lid following your lash line. From that line, go upwards and outwards towards the tail end of the brow following the angle of your lower lash line shape. From the tail end of your liner, draw a line inwards that stops at the inner half of your iris and then fill in the shape that you have created. And that's the liner done. Now curl your lashes and prep them for mascara and false lashes. Apply a generous coat of mascara to your top lashes. I'm using Lash Princess Mascara by Essence Cosmetics. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Doll Beauty Chloe Elizabeth lashes, however you can use any long gappy lashes you have available. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other. And that's the finished purple and blue glitter cut crease eye look. I hope that you found this video educational and entertaining. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Remember to tag me in your recreations at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at Courtney Beauty _ on Twitter, and hashtag Courtney Beauty for a chance to be featured on my page. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!